at ICT-Spring Luxembourg we are very proud of is to be visible for the SNIFFY technology. And we have created this SNIFFY technology and we are showcasing the first worldwide multisensorial totem, that is to say a touch screen that will trigger consumer with olfaction. As a French perfumer, I had the idea to deliver this new technology to better trigger the consumer, offering a new B2B2C solution. We offer SNIFFY brick of technology for all the industrials that want to stimulate differently with communication, multisensorial communication, using olfaction, any consumer. Our business concept is very distinctive because it is the first time in the world that we are using olfaction embedded behind a smart screen, a touch screen. You will touch an image, you will see a video, and you will smell the image. And after, we have the emotional response after having smelled. That is to say, we trigger the limbic system of any consumer. And after having triggered it, you can analyze with an AI, an artificial intelligence, any emotional response from consumer. So the olfaction is a new key, the new way to better stimulate, but also better trigger the emotional response.